Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Shopify to Printful in 2025. This is perfect for those looking to start their print-on-demand store. With just a few simple steps, you will be able to sync your Shopify store with Printful to start selling custom designed products without worrying about inventory or fulfillment. Let's dive in. If you haven't already, you will need a Shopify store. If you don't have one yet, head over to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. Once your store is set up and you are in your dashboard, you are ready to link it with Printful. Make sure you have got your branding and basic store settings ready. Next, you will need to sign up for Printful if you don't have already. Go to printful.com. Then click on first link. Sign up with your Google account or email and password. Then continue. Once you are logged in, you will see your Printful dashboard where you can start adding product, and designing your store's items. Now let's get Printful onto your Shopify store. Go to your Shopify admin panel and click apps, then apps and sales channels, settings, then app store. And in the search bar, type Printful. You will see the Printful app pop up. Click on it, then hit install. After you click install, Shopify will ask you to approve the installation. Then click again install to proceed. Once installed, you will be directed to the Printful app within Shopify. Here, click connect or continue. If you are not logged into Printful yet, you will be prompted to log into your Printful account. Once logged in, Printful will automatically sync with your Shopify store. You will be able to manage everything from product creation to fulfillment directly from this integration. Now let's add some products in the Printful app. Click on Add Product. You can choose from a variety of customizable products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. Once you choose a product like hoodie, you will be able to design it. Upload your network or use Printful design tools. Click on that and upload your photos or your design like that. Then select it, then apply. After designing your product, Click Proceed. Click Proceed to mockups to generate image of your product for your store. You can adjust product details like sizes, colors, or remove background. Got it. The product will automatically sync with your Shopify store, including the product title, description, price, and mockups. Once your products are live on Shopify, customers can start placing orders. When someone buys from your store, Printful will handle the entire fulfillment process. They will print, pack, and ship your products directly to your customer. All you need to do is focus on marketing and growing your business. To keep track of your order, head to your Printful dashboard where you will see order statuses, tracking number, and more. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. You can adjust your shipping settings in Printful to match your store's preferences. Use Printful's branding options to add custom packing slips or stickers for a branded unboxing experience. I'll keep an eye on your inventory. Printful automatically updates stock, but it's important to check if any products are out of stock. And that's it. You have successfully connected Printful to your Shopify store. Now you are all set to start selling your custom designs without worrying about inventory or shipping. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your question below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on e-commerce, Shopify, and print on demand businesses. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.